Welcome back to the Costume Extravaganza. Rather than a specific character, with today's costume we're embodying the darker, more horror side of Halloween. So if you're looking for a costume that embraces the sexier, more horrific glam side of Halloween, then this is absolutely the DIY for you. As with all of my costume projects, everything will be linked for you in the description box. I will also pin a comment so that you can easily recreate the look that I am about to show you how to create. So with that, let's dive into this dark, sexy Underworld Queen costume. And off to the thrift store we go. So if you're new to this channel, whenever I'm creating any type of costume or recreating a look or anything like that, I try to shop secondhand first and foremost. I'm really big on sustainability and being conscientious of textile consumption. So I hit up my local thrift store. We were really going for something with this vibe, like dark and sultry, but also glamorous, but also evil and underworld, and you get the idea. So I was looking for laces and black and red and just really glamorous fabrics. So I looked through all the sheets and bedding and fabrics and stuff like that first, and then I did take a look through the pre-made clothing as well. Just why not? If I'm there anyway, might as well take a look. And if we're being honest, I really didn't find a whole lot at the thrift store. So I did turn to Amazon. I picked up this gorgeous tiara and I purchased some stockings. I got these black ones with this lacy trim. I thought they were gorgeous. Of course, a cloak is going to be perfect for this outfit. And then I also got this lacy Spanish style veil. And let's take a closer look at all of these pieces. Here is a quick overview of everything I accumulated for this look from various places. I did end up getting some fabrics at the thrift store. I pulled some pieces from my pre-existing wardrobe. I went to Walmart for a few of the pieces. I shopped Amazon. These earrings I did end up thrifting. I thought they were really glamorous and goth and gorgeous. These fabrics, again, I did pick up on this thrift trip. I didn't end up using them, but I bought them anyway to try them out. We'll take a look at that a little later. I got this black velvet cloak and the lacy Spanish style veil. I ended up actually using this as a skirt, but there are many different ways you could wear this or use this item. Of course, we saw the stockings that I got from Amazon. I found this really gorgeous hand piece at Walmart, of all places. And I thought it went really well with the crown tiara that I also picked up with the red gems. It's just very gorgeous, very glamorous. I found some black roses at the dollar store, and then I had some black meshy gloves. And with that, let's take a look at how I pieced everything together. No Halloween look is complete without makeup, of course. So I was heavily inspired by Angelina Jolie's Maleficent look. I wanted to try to hollow out my features, but still remain glamorous. And so I just did a normal base and then layers of dark browns for my eyeshadow. I did some really heavy contour, a lot more than I would ever typically do with an everyday look, making sure to get my cheeks and my jawline and my nose. And of course, I also threw on some lashes. If you are able to get your hands on some red eye contacts, I think that would make this look even better. I did not think of that at the time, but I absolutely think red contacts would take this look to the next level. So try to get some of those if you can. So really, with this costume, we're just putting everything on. I did try to make the thrifted fabrics work in like a skirt sort of situation, but ultimately I ended up just using the black lace veil as a skirt, and I really like how that looked. But you can do whatever here. If you found thrifted pieces, definitely incorporate them. Otherwise, pull things from your closet. Feel free to get anything from the links that I leave below from Amazon or whatnot. And when all is said and done, we are left with our final look. So here we go.
Well, there we have it. What do we think? If you can't tell, I love this costume. I'm obsessed. It's so beautiful and glam and goth and sexy and it's so hot. I love this so much. This is absolutely something I would wear out to a party or something like that. I'm loving the witchy, vampiric vibes. It's just so hot. I really love this one, and I hope you guys enjoy it too. I'm gonna go frolic around a bit more, so please enjoy this closer look at the final result. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this costume DIY. This is only one of 9 costumes that I am creating for you guys this year, and I'm showing you how to DIY everything with my Costume Extravaganza series. So definitely be sure to subscribe if you have not already. New videos are dropping every couple of days, and so I'm making sure we are all well equipped to serve our best looks this Halloween season. Thank you again for watching. If you enjoyed, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and I will see you in another video very soon. Bye.